Hell, they haven't. This is the thing. It's great that the price is at 30 already. There hasn't even been any major business related announcement. Maybe you think that there isn't any, but just imagine if there is.
What is good, YouTube? Today I'm going to be going over GameStop and AMC stock and why I believe we are about to be on the world news within the next couple of weeks. But before I do get into why I believe this is going to happen, make sure to go down and subscribe if you guys are new to the channel, because I do keep you guys updated on what is going on with GameStop and AMC stock. So Friday was absolutely insane. GameStop closed up 7% with 30 million shares traded. It closed at $33.03. It's freaking breaking out. It's breaking out of this huge triangle that has formed over the past year. We have all these bullish indicators. It's literally reminding me of how it looked like before it went from $17 to $80 back in May of 2024 when Roaring Kitty came back. And what do you know? Roaring Kitty is over here on Twitter making changes, unfollowing Ryan Cohen. I think something big is just about to happen. But this was GameStop's highest close in over 130 days. This is huge for GameStop. It's finally breaking out on the Bollinger Bands for the daily chart. It's well above the daily Bollinger Bands. If we bring up the RSI is at 75. It has not been past 70 since November, the end of November, before Roaring Kitty tweeted it's time to cover. So the RSI is back at 75, meaning people are buying the frick out of GameStop. It's possible that we get a move crazier than this move in January of 2021. And I believe there's a couple of factors that are going to cause this, Roaring Kitty being one of them. And I really think the main one is going to be its investment in Bitcoin. I mean, they announced it in its last earnings that they're going to use Bitcoin as a treasury asset. So what the frick do you think they did? I mean, it doesn't make sense. A lot of people are like, oh, GameStop probably never even invested into Bitcoin. Why would they even ever announce that? Because that's what caused this price drop. If you don't remember, GameStop down 25% in a single day when they announced that they're going to invest into Bitcoin. Guess who buys? Guess who buys that freaking dip? Ryan Cohen himself. $11 million into GameStop right here. What has GameStop done since then? It's done nothing but gone up. AMC, institutions are buying AMC right now. Shorts are going freaking long now. It's insane. I mean, AMC and GameStop are about to break out because it's just looking bullish. But if we bring up the RSI here underneath the chart for AMC, it is across 70. The last time that this happened was on May 14th when it went up to $13 in pre-market. The last time that the RSI has crossed 70. And guess what? Now it is crossing it again as we speak. So yes, I am buying a bunch of calls. Yes, I am buying a bunch of shares. And yes, I think we're about to get a freaking crazy move for both of these stocks. Another stock that I have my eyes on is FFAI, mainly because, you know, when GameStop had its squeeze back in May 14th, FFAI had a crazy freaking squeeze. I mean, it was absolutely insane. And it just tends to move with GameStop. So it's just another stock to have your eyes on. Not saying any of this is financial advice, obviously. But we can't forget that Roaring Kitty likes GameStop over $30. This clip is still so relevant today because there really hasn't been any announcements. And what we're about to talk about is insane. But we got to watch this video just because of what the hell is going on.
Hell, they haven't. This is the thing. It's great that the price is at 30 already. There hasn't even been any major business related announcement. Maybe you think that there isn't any, but just imagine if there is.
Roaring Kitty literally saying it himself. There hasn't been any business announcements yet, but imagine if there freaking is. Imagine if they announce, yes, they bought a bunch of Bitcoin at 75K. That itself will send GameStop to $100 plus. And then after that, imagine if Roaring Kitty just comes out and adds more fuel to the rocket and just shows his portfolio at $1 billion in GameStop. Because think about it, back a year ago, Roaring Kitty posted the meme that he was a billionaire. Imagine if his next portfolio update, it's over $1 billion all into GameStop stock. We're sent to all-time highs. We're sent past the moon from there, and there's no coming down. This guy said institutional holdings of GME are at all-time highs. Why? because Ryan Cohen figured out the hedge fund's swap and ETF creation / redemption cadence and started using it against them. He started taking free money from them and elected to transform the company in the process. He beat them at their own game, 4D chess / checkmate, whatever you want to call it. He forced their hand, now they're all buying in, and will manufacture their own squeeze. It's the most poetic tale in the history of the stock market, and the story is barely underway. It's happening right before our eyes. Guess what? Larry Chang just posted this on May 23rd, on Friday. He said logging for future reference, meaning one day in the future they're going to look back at this post and be like, what the hell? So GME Institutional Holdings ownership summary, institutional ownership is 33%, and I think this number is going to go a heck of a lot higher, meaning institutional owners are buying the hell out of GameStop, and that's what I think is making it go up like crazy. If you don't know who Larry Chang is a director on the GameStop board of directors and the managing partner of Volition Capital. We're talking, this guy is a freaking insider talking to Ryan Cohen. This guy is behind the scenes and he knows what is about to happen. I believe they all know what is about to happen. Unusual Whale said GameStop GME is up 16% in the last 2 days, up 5% today. GME flow has been bullish over the last week with nearly 15 million in net premium and call, and highest net call premium in the last 30 days. You can see a $40 to $50 call spread attached. The top chain today, $36 calls, 70% bullish, expiring next Friday. Congrats to those who follow the flow. So someone is betting big. I mean, we're talking millions, tens of millions of dollars, that GameStop is going to go past $36 this Friday, by this Friday. And if we all take a look at the Roaring Kitty timeline, we know what comes after the flag, which could be Memorial Day. There's eyes, which is eyes on GameStop. Then it's on fire. It keeps going freaking up, and then it explodes. And cheers, everybody. That could have been the real, what it means. And it could be happening right before our eyes. This guy said largest green print on the GME monthly TTM squeeze indicators since December of 2020, which preceded a 2000% run on GameStop. That is spicy. That is freaking insane. I mean, a bunch of things are happening to the stock. A bunch of indicators are coming out that, hasn't shown up since December of 2020. Before GameStop squeeze. Everything is aligning. It's insane. And AMC is just going to follow right behind GameStop. Telling y'all right now. This guy said the stock closed at $33.03 on Friday in a weak session for stocks, reconfirming the new uptrend after the recent break of the $29 resistance. Next major resistance lies at $34. The break of it and the squeeze is on. So if it breaks that $34 mark, I mean, we are looking at a major squeeze, and I think it is almost guaranteed with the business announcement. I mean, think about the Roaring Kitty video we just watched. GameStop is at $33 on no news. No news, just institutions buying. Ryan Cohen buying. Larry Chang buying. Everyone's buying. Roaring Kitty's next, possibly. And we're talking about this GameStop and Bitcoin announcement. If we take a look at AMC Theaters began accepting Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin for online purchases on November 13th of 2021. If anything, crypto is on the balance sheet not only for GameStop now, but for AMC. It's just crazy what's about to go on with the meme stocks. I'm all in, as always. Let's frickin' go. But that is going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did make it to the end of the video and you haven't subscribed yet, what the heck are you guys doing? Make sure to go down and subscribe. We are on the verge of something insane. And I believe this is just going to be Dumb Money Part 2. So just enjoy it. Make a lot of money on it. I'm not going to tell you guys what to do. You guys do whatever you want with your money. What I'm doing with my money, I'm buying a bunch of shares and I'm also buying a bunch of calls. That's just really it. But I will keep you guys updated on what happens with GameStop and AMC stock. So make sure to stay tuned on my channel. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. As y'all know, I'm buying the dip.
Here we go. Come on. Push it. Buying the dip. Buying the dip.